These three large SUVs look imposing and secure. But one of them rates better than the others when it comes to crash tests.
With the Jeep Wagoneer, I'm very pleased with their overall performance. They have put out a vehicle that has earned the top safety pick.
The vehicle structure held up much better than in the Ford Expedition test. And this is one of the important things we want to see in the small overlap crash in order to earn a good rating.
SUVs are designed to be people movers. However, none of the three SUVs offered really good protection for backseat passengers. The backseat problems happening during what's called the small overlap crash tests.
All three of these vehicles showed some concern for elevated risk of injury to rear occupants' chest, and in the Tahoe, there was some elevated risk of abdominal injury. And those are things that we think all three of these manufacturers can improve on.
In this particular test, the Ford Expedition didn't do well at all.
The barrier pushed into some of the vehicle structure, ripping some of it away and really compromising a lot of the safety cage. For the driver dummy, you have less survival space, and in this test in particular, we saw elevated lower leg injury measures.
And it's not just crashes you have to worry about. You want your vehicle to do the best it can to help you avoid them. When you look at these vehicles and the headlights, they look really pretty. The design is really nice, but how effective are they?
What we found was the Wagoneer, depending on the trim that you get, had good or acceptable headlights, while the Tahoe and the Expedition fared worse. Their headlight ratings were marginal and poor.
If you're thinking of purchasing one of these three vehicles, these ratings provide a good place to start. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Sprazier.